Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 12 of the 100 days challenge to build yourself as a brand. So today was quite a productive day. I started it right. I woke up at 5 a.m., which was a little bit difficult after oversleeping for 3 to 4 days, but I had already told my dad to wake me at 5 o'clock because I knew I would not wake up. So once I off the alarm, he then came and he woke me, and that's why I got up, freshly woke up. And then I did stretching, went and drank 2 glasses of water, then I prayed, and finally, I think after a month or more, I worked out. And that workout was so good, but I can say it was good because I worked out after such a long time and I was shivering. Like, even on the simple exercise I was shivering, and even after the exercise when I was trying to sit and all veins and body was like shivering completely. So I just knew that now my body has woke up. Okay, so it was a good one. After that I meditated and I did some breathing exercise. Today, I don't know, but a lot of thoughts were running through my mind when I was meditating. So I could not completely focus on my breathing and on my thoughts. So it's okay, we will improve with that. After that, I journaled and then watered my plants. Then I quickly swept the floor and then went to bath. Summers have started and it's like really hot. I'm not able to sit in my room. I'm now editing and whatever the work is there, maximum of the time I'll be sitting in my balcony and doing that because literally cannot take this sweat. Okay, so after that I took a bath and then I did my skincare, then I prayed and then went and filled water bottles. So water is very important. Drink your water. Okay, then I did work that is also for 4 hours. So I had initially planned of working for 2 hours on computer and then 2 hours for shoots or practicing and all that. But the thing was that I had a lot of things to work on computer as it got pending, and for shoots I have made a different a little bit of changes in the schedule. That's why I thought that I'll not shoot today, but then I thought that I'll shoot in the evening, but as now it didn't happen because I'm really sweating and I don't know how to shoot in that in the evening, so it will be more hot. So let's see for tomorrow morning. But I did computer work. Okay, it is not like I procrastinated like that work. I postponed it, but instead I did something productive only. So proud of that. After working for 4 hours like that, I had my lunch and then set for doing the work again. Then I had a hair oil to prepare. I prepared that. It is a natural hair oil. And then I did editing. After that, I had my dinner today, 6:30. So it is the second day that I had my dinner at 6:30. And one thing that happened was yesterday I had my dinner at 6:30. Then today morning by 10 o'clock I felt very hungry. Usually when I have my dinner at 8:30 like that, I don't feel hungry till afternoon. even if it is 1:30 in the afternoon, I don't feel hungry. But today it was very grumbling in my stomach, so I was feeling very hungry, but I didn't eat anything because there was nothing to eat and I was working, so I didn't had that patience or time to go and prepare something and eat also. So I just drank water and stayed. After that, I did prayer, and then now I was shooting this video. I'm gonna edit this video and I'll try my best to sleep by 9 p.m. today. That's why I decided to shoot the video early, so that because my night is now came to an end, my evening is going to end. After editing this video, I will go and do my skincare, get freshened up, and then I will go and sleep. So that is the final step of my day. So yeah, that is what happened today. It was quite a good day, but the thing is that until and unless I don't shoot a video, I don't feel satisfied, or I don't feel like I have done something productive. So it's kind of a downside, but if I analyze that what I had done throughout the day, it's quite productive. It's just shooting the video is not the thing, right? You have to edit it also. Even there are side things like managing the pages, the backgrounds, making wallpapers, and so many things are there which will be included in this, but I don't take those things considering as a productive task. So that is one thing that I'm getting trying to get rid of. So working on that also is productive because it's required, it's a part of this thing. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one, that is tomorrow. Bye, take care.